Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick market status for Thursday, March 9th. Here is our original disclaimer. Give this a read. When you've done so, let's get to it. Tick US model, not a ton to say here. Continuation of the downtrend we saw yesterday. Today's low closed below today's close closed below yesterday's close. Tongue twister there. Filter tick, pretty flat day, consistent with the price action we saw. New lows did continue to outpace new highs, and the longer term moving average ribbon is continuing to trend lower and starting to further invert. Tick A or CX model, we have no signals turned on right now. Today's close is below yesterday's close. We have a railroad tracks down, short-term moving average ribbon, longer-term moving average ribbon is starting to trend lower, expand lower, and further invert. Let's go down to our SPY Gamma dashboard from this morning real quick. 4,000, very key level. You can see the delta here just by the shade of blue, very deep blue there. Good bit of gamma here. This is our transition zone as well. We failed twice here and lower we went. So long as we're below 400, my bias is to the downside. Could see some price fluctuation between 400 and 395. Below 395, we have 390, which is negative GEX. Now hitting on price action itself, looking at our, so we have SPY, SPX, QQQ. Thing I will note, again, we hit on this on the SPY Gamma dashboard, failed twice at 0 GEX on SPY, 4,000 on SPX, and trended lower. Consolidation day between 0 GEX and COTMP, and as Qs itself, just a ton of chop around 0 GEX. Trendless day for sure. Tesla showing just a chop between 0 GEX and negative GEX. Plenty of scalping opportunities there if you were looking at that today. Hitting on Google real quick, we had a P-trans to a 0 GEX move very early in the session. I will admit this move happened very quickly, especially on the open. Would have been tough to get into a position for me, for myself personally. I didn't do anything here, but just wanted to point this out to you guys. Again, and then we had a break and a retest of 0 GEX and down to P-trans we went. When we saw the market kind of chopping, heading downward for the day, this would have been a good opportunity, good level to risk against with a good target below us. Target below us was positive trans corresponded with low of the session and pre-market lows. So lastly, moving on to Amazon, just hitting here, failure at 0 GEX. Trending below, and then again, just kind of fluctuated around 0 GEX more or less for the day. Last stock I wanted to hit on was Taiwan Semi. I will admit, this kind of upward price action today was in contrast to the general market, so this may have been a tougher trade to take. However, if you're looking at this, you had a great break and retest of 0 GEX and a move up to P-trans, textbook move here at GammaEdge. Just wanted to point that one out to y'all. Now hitting on the indexes with our 5 p.m. script. Again, this script is our best guess of tomorrow before any overnight updates. Really, structure hasn't changed too much between all of these. 400, 4,000 still key levels to the upside. These are where 0 GEX is at. And then as far as QQQs, again, we're pinned between negative trans and 0 GEX. Going to liquidity stocks real quick. We have Apple, we have Microsoft, we have Tesla, and we have NVIDIA. Again, structure really has not changed a ton between these stocks and key levels. Looking at part 2 here, we have Alphabet, Amazon, Meta, and Intel. Getting Alphabet right at P-trans. You have Amazon right at 0 GEX. Meta, P-trans, Intel 0 GEX. So what this is telling me is, we have great levels. Either we get a failure or some kind of breakout in the general market tomorrow. These are great levels to risk against, so something to pay attention to. And with that, wish you all best of luck tomorrow, and I will talk to you all in the room in voice and produce another video for you all tomorrow night. So have a good night. Bye.